y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing like this style right here. It's kind of like a faux silk press done at home with some added clip-ins. So yeah, let's get into it. So today we are going to be using this Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Heat Protectant. And I ordered this from Sally Beauty. I was really excited to try it. So we are starting off with just like blowing our hair out. Now I am using this Revlon brush blow dryer. And let me just tell you, okay, when I watch videos of people like blowing their hair out or preparing their hair for like the straighten, it's always so flowy and they got movement even before they straighten it. My hair never does that, okay? And I almost want to go get like a professional like silk press or like blowout just to see the difference, because I know like the tools that I'm using aren't that great and aren't that professional, but like I be like, dang, my hair is just still so stiff. I don't understand. But anyways, so another reason why I wanted to add clip-ins was because the very back of my hair is breaking off so bad, like it's basically gone. Like the front of my hair is very healthy, the second quarter of the back of my hair is healthy, but that like first quarter at the lower back, like the nape area, is breaking off so bad. Like the first 2 inches back there is like basically gone, and if it is there, it's like real thin. I'm already starting the process to like try to rebuild it and heal it, but that's another reason why I wanted to add clip-ins. So these are my Luxe collection Kinky straight clip-ins. This is the 18-inch set because I got a longer set and a shorter set. The longer set is 22 inches. This is the shorter set, which was 18 inches. And I had 3 2-clip clip-ins and 1 3-clip clip-in, so 4 clip-ins in total. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch from here on out because it's kind of like, it's very simple. I just kind of obviously straightened my hair and then I added the 4 clips in like in no particular way, just kind of like put them in where I felt like they fit, and then I curled the hair. And then, you know, I just kind of like flipped it to the side to see what it would look like. But you know, I just kind of did it any kind of way you can too, but I'm just gonna let you watch the rest and put some tunes on. Okay, y'all, so this is the final product. This is the following day. But yeah, this is what we have. So this is the final look. I had to switch positions because the sun was just, you know. But yeah, this is the following day. After like a few hours, and yeah, I feel like it's still giving body yaddy, like, you know. So yeah, this is the final look, and that is a wrap. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video and of the style. Okay, don't forget to do that. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.